Good morning, class. I am a faculty of Premchand Memorial Public School, and today we are going to start a new chapter of our drawing, that is on page number 8. We are going to draw fruits today. So, we are going to draw apple, cutted pear, banana, and grapes. So, let's get started. So, for drawing the apple, the most important thing is we have to draw curved lines. Around 4 curved lines we are going to draw today. So I'll let you know how to draw it. C. You have to draw first curved line like this. It's a C pointed downwards slightly. Now the next curved line would be on the opposite side, and it would be the inverted C. Like this, you have to just narrow down your C slightly, and then you will join these two C's with a curved line. As you can see, the basic apple shape has been ready. Now you will just join their tips slightly like this and draw the stem like this and one leaf, and remove the excess lines by using an eraser. Okay, now you have to shade it slightly in the manner it has been given, and your apple is ready. Okay, some more shading like this, strokes of curved lines. Now we'll draw bananas. Right, for bananas we have to draw two curved lines. As you can see, I have drawn a curved line in the form of a wave here for the upper part of the banana, and now I'm going to draw the lower part, a lower C here. As you can see, here is a C here. I have drawn a letter C, and then I'm going to just join the ends and gonna draw slightly a curved line once more so that it gets joined on the lower portion of the stem, and then I'm gonna shade. Right, so it is the basic drawing that one can draw at one time most efficiently. Okay, now you can add more details to it as it has been drawn, and your banana is ready. Now you can just outline it a bit darker so that it is distinguishable, or you can just use your finger tip and just scroll it like this, and you'll get an immense shaded banana. Now let's move on to the pear. So we have already drawn a rectangle here in the book. Now I'll show you how to make the half cutted pear. For pear, I have already drawn an upper portion in the form of inverted U, and then a C, and then again I'm going to draw a C here to complete the pear. I have already drawn a stem, and then I'll just put some detailings so that it becomes an actual pear. See, I have completed drawing the inverted C, and my pear looks so cute. And then I'll add some amount of detailing like this. Then I'll draw here. Right, and then I'll darken it a bit and some more detailings here. Okay, so my pear looks very good, and I'm done with making pear. Right, you can just down again, you can use your finger and just shimmer the density of pencil shading around. And now the last one is grapes. So for grapes, it has already been given an outline sketch here. So what you have to do, you have to just use your pencil and complete these sketches. Right, it's very simple, and then you'll just shade it like this wherever needed. So we have already done this type of thing in vegetables also, and I would request you all to do it by your own. I'm not repeating it, and I'm trusting you guys on this. Just complete it like the way you have done it before. So yes, stay indoors, stay safe, have a good day. Thank you.